3D-Slicer is an open-source software platform for medical image informatics, image processing, and three-dimensional visualization. Built over 2 decades through support from the National Institutes of Health and a worldwide developer community, Slicer brings free, powerful cross-platform processing tools to physicians, researchers, and the general public. This version introduces close to 1,000 feature enhancements and bug fixes for better performance and stability. It includes more than 15 new and improved core modules and dozens of updated extensions. Slicer is made possible through contributions from an international community of scientists from a multitude of fields, including engineering and biomedicine. This is the Python programming interface. I am testing it to see if it works. Now, this here shows a human brain using diffusion-weighted magnetic resonance imaging. Here, we now have a visual representation of the data collected from diffusion tensor tractography techniques. This is another brain. In this structural magnetic resonance imaging scan, we can see a tumor. It is mainly located in the right frontoparietal area of the brain.